In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can dropship on eBay using CG dropshipping. Now, a lot of people use CG dropshipping because of the cheap prices compared to other e-commerce websites like Amazon and AliExpress. And also what I like about CG dropshipping is the shipping time. It's actually quick, as you can see. It's like 3 to 7 days. And the best thing about CG is you can find items in the country. Like, for example, if you want to ship only to United States, you can find the stock in United States. And if you want to ship, for example, worldwide, you can find stock in China and stuff like that. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, is to watch this video from the start so that you can learn everything, and I don't want you guys to make any mistakes in this process. It's actually easy to start dropshipping from CG to eBay. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step. I'm going to show you guys what CG can do when you start dropshipping using CG. I'm going to show you guys why CG is the best, because what I like about CG is they will take care of everything, including shipping the items to your customers, and they will do everything. Okay, now I'm going to explain to you how you can do that right now. Now I have been doing eBay dropshipping for 3 years, and I have multiple accounts. So I have, for example, I have one account I dropship from AliExpress, other accounts I dropship from other suppliers. Sometimes I dropship from Walmart. So I tried CG, and I find it's the best compared to AliExpress, but the problem with CG is a lot of competition here. You are not going to make the same profit as using AliExpress, okay? But still, you are going to make a profit. It depends on how many items you are going to list and how many winning products you are going to list, okay? Because it's all about the winning product. If you don't find winning products, if you list, for example, 10,000 listings, you are not going to get any sales if the listings are not something that people are interested in, which I'm going to be showing you in this video, how you can find winning products easily on CG. Okay, now first thing you want to do, guys, you want to log into your CG account and click register. And after you log in, guys, you want to click on authorization in the top left, and you want to select here eBay, so that we can connect our eBay store to CG. Now, guys, if you have any questions or you don't understand anything in the video, just let me know in the comments, okay? I reply to every single comment. Make sure you drop a like on this video, okay? Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on Add Store. Now, after, guys, you click on Add Store, CG will take you directly to, it will ask you if you are eBay will ask you if you are going to give access to CG or not. You want to scroll down at the very bottom. You can see there, confirm. Okay, I want to click on confirm, and it will take you to this page because I already connected my eBay, so that's why it took me directly to this page. Now, if it says here authorization success, that means you have successfully connected your eBay to CG. Now I'm going to show you guys the next steps. Okay, now you want to click on list it now, or if you don't want to click it, just click on dropshipping.com, because we have connected our eBay store to our CG account. Now what you need to do, guys, next is to find a winning product. Now a lot of people don't know how to find winning product. You just find any product here, and you don't even know, for example, if it's going to get sales on eBay or not. This is a huge mistake. The first thing you need to do, guys, you want to go to eBay and you want to search for a random product there, okay, and see if people are selling that exact product. Okay, for example, I'm going to explain to you what I mean by you want to find I'm going to explain to you how you can find winning products. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, for example, click on a product on CG and search if there are any competitors on eBay. Okay, now you want to go to eBay and search if people are selling the exact same item or not. As you can see, this guy is selling it. It's 74. So, but you have to know if it got any sale or not. So this item has one sale, so this is good. Okay, you have to list this exact item. As you can see, this is the item. So this is a good item, and we want to list this exact item. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to open the product and you want to click on list. Okay, now if you click on list, guys, you will find here a few different options here. It says here, make sure you see here your eBay store name. As you can see, this is my eBay store name. And listing site, you want to go with United States. and here's like where it says here ship from, you can no more options. Now if you have options here, it says here ship from. Now I always go with China because of the cheap prices compared to if the stock is in United States, the price is going to be high. What I like, guys, is I always go with China most of the time. I have done $60,000 in sales, and most of these items I was dropshipping them from China. Okay, now you want to scroll down. Okay, you wanna, if something here yeah, it says here price change. Just go, for example, as you can see, this is the total dropshipping cost. So this is how much CJ will charge you every time this item sells on your eBay store. Now you want to enter here your price. As you can see, it says here your price. Now you want to enter here your price. I'm just going to go, for example, with I would just go with $40. Okay, I'm going to go with $40. Actually more, because the item price is 38 and eBay charges 13%, so I'm going to go with 59 until this item sell, like until this item gets some sales. Then I am going to increase the price, but right now I just want to get like first sales so that we can increase the price with the time. Now at least we are not going to lose any money right here. We are going to make a profit, but it's like a small profit, but it doesn't matter. We want to make this product appear in search, because when people are searching for products, they always click on the product that is cheaper. So we want to trick eBay that this product is actually cheaper, and after that like if the item is cheaper, eBay will show that item to a lot of people, but we are going to increase the price or like after it gets some sales. Now after you select here the price, where it says here quantity, listing quantity, you always go with 2. Okay, you always go with two, like it depends on how many variations in the item, but most of the time I always go with 2 or 1. Okay, depends on your selling limit. If you have high selling limit on your eBay, which I'm going to be showing you how you can increase it right now, because a lot of people don't have high selling limit on eBay, especially if they are just starting with CJ dropshipping. They have never dropshipped using other suppliers. Now you want to select 2, guys, and you want to just go to your eBay store, and you want to click on my eBay, and you want to click on selling. Scroll down and make sure here you, like as you can see, it says list up to 200 items for free every month. Okay, now like check your selling limit and see how many listings you can list per month. And after that, guys, what you need to do, guys, next, like make sure you set up your eBay store. Okay, make sure you do everything. You add your credit card, you add everything. Otherwise, it's not going, this item will not be pushed. If you click on list it now, this item will not be pushed to your eBay store. Okay, it will say something, an error or something like that. Now before you push this item, you want to click on CJ packet and select CJ sensitive, because of the shipping time. We don't want, guys, customers to to contact us every single time about the shipping time. We want to send this item as soon as possible. As you can see, estimated delivery time is 8 to 18 days. That's what we want. Now after that, guys, you want to click on list it now. As you can see, now after, guys, you click on list it now, the product will be listed to your eBay. If it doesn't work, guys, you have to set up your store. You have to add your credit card and stuff like that. Okay, now the next thing you want to do, guys, is like to drop a like on this video. And if you want to drop ship from AliExpress, that's what I do, guys, to get like to do $60,000 in sales. I like CJ, but AliExpress is better because I have full control of everything. So click the video on the screen and drop a like on this video, and you will learn exactly how you can start dropshipping from AliExpress, which is the best. I love AliExpress so much. See you guys in the next video.